There's a lot of padlocks. Seoul, Koreatown, December 31st. Get ready to bring in the new year. January 1st, 2020. And Sherry's gonna put the padlock. So what does a padlock mean?
You lock your love.
For what reason?
I don't know.
You don't know. Where's Bree? Oh. Is she? Let me see. That would suck if she dropped it. That's cool, Bree. That's Taylor Wesley, Wesley Taylor, and Natalie.
Oh, that's because like look. Oh, we don't have like
You found a place?
They broke up. This one's broken.
Look how old these ones are.
Holy moly. Maybe you should put it towards the bottom. Maybe you should put it towards the bottom so the elements don't destroy it.
This one was on Christmas. That's a good one, right? This part?
That's good.
Hey, locked.
I want to put
Key
mine with
removed.
yours.
Let's make sure it's locked. So it's locked.
Did you get it? Let's see. Very cool. Bree, what does this all stand? What does this all mean?
Love.
Who did you
Baby dumpling.
baby dumpling and who
And the
else?
baby daddy.
And the baby daddy. Who's the baby daddy?
Jorge.
Jorge?
Jorge Dix.
It's nice. That's pretty cool.
My hands are cold.
I know mine too. Did you guys do it?
Wow, this is so
Can you excuse me? I'm gonna take a picture.
Here, let me put this in the back.
Is it locked on there?
How beautiful it is. Hey, what was the name of the tower we went to? All right.
Very good. Let's go.
Very good.
It's cold.
Okay. Happy New Year 2020. Happy New Year. Goodbye.